Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert multiple images into a PDF. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, find those photos. So here I'm going to convert all of these photos into a single PDF. So I'm going to select all of them and then right click on your mouse. And here you will get an option print, select it. And from this drop down menu, you have to choose Microsoft Print to PDF. And now you can choose full page photo, or here you will see some other formats. Choose what you want. And I'm choosing full page photo. And now normally click on this print button. And here you have to provide a name to save the file, and you have to set the destination where you want to save it. I'm choosing it Mr. TechFox and I'm giving it a name PDF and clicking on this save button. So if I check the folder right now, here you will see a file name PDF. I'm going to open it and here is our PDF. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.